how to do this makeup look. I am so very much obsessed. Very much obsessed. This is my go-to for when I'm gonna go take pictures, when I'm gonna go out somewhere, when I'm gonna go to dinner. Literally my go-to going out makeup look. Like, this is it. Neutral, not doing a lot with like the lips and like the eyeshadow color. But then the eyes is very much giving sexy. You can't look people in the eyes because they're gonna fall in love with you. But no, I'm obsessed with this makeup look. Like, if you want to look like a filter in real life, just keep watching. For meal prep, what am I talking about? For skincare, I use the Ordinary Niacinamide. I use this morning and night. Like, I love this. I also did the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. This stuff is so good. And then I used the Magic Cream and the Super Glue Glow Screen. This is such a tongue twister. Like, Super Glue Glow Screen. Super Glue Go. I can't.
Get somebody else to do it.
Oh, it's for audition.
So now, like, I usually go in with a primer, but she's been through it. She's really just been through it. She's been loved, and I feel like I could get some more out of it, honestly. See, I know I could trust in my girl. She always comes through, I swear. Like, when I think I'm done with this, I get like more use. Don't play. She still has a bunch in there, so I'm just gonna use the pink Elf Power Grip. If I have like any active pimples, any like blemishes I want to get rid of, I go in with my, oh my god, my grandma. Hello. My trusty L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is like the best drugstore like full coverage concealer. Like, this is really good. I always go in with a brush because you never want to put like the tip on your acne because that's just like gonna spread the bacteria. But yeah, ow, I just like stabbed my pimple. That kind of hurt. Okay, and we're just gonna lightly blend all of that out. For example, if you have a pimple, really blend around the pimple instead of directly on the pimple, because one, it's gonna make it red, and two, it's just gonna wipe it all off. So yeah, I just recently tried the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation, which, first of all, this does not compare. They're both light medium. This one's medium and this one's Vika light medium. No shade, no tea. You know I love me some Elf, but this does not compare. Like, it just doesn't compare. Y'all know I love me a good full coverage glam, so of course I adore the NARS Liquid Radiant Foundation in the color Fiji. So I just get a little bit, put it on the back of my hand. I get like two squirts of NARS, and then I just get like a super glowy base. It just looks so good. I'm just gonna put that in. Honestly, I always drag my face down now that I'm realizing it. Like, when I apply my foundation, I always go down, and like that's probably not good for you, so I'm gonna just go up. I feel like it'll do something. I'm gonna get whatever's left on my hand, and then I'm just gonna blend. I'm so excited. I just cleaned all my makeup brushes today and it feels so good. I honestly feel like that was why I was breaking out. Then for contour, I love this product from Rare Beauty. I would repurchase 1,000 times. It's in the color Happy Soul. It glides on like butter, like literally butter. What I like to do is I like to go like this, but then I just follow that line right there, but I go like a little above it because I don't want to like bring my face down. I want to like lift it up. So, and then I go around my forehead. This stuff is so smooth. On my jawline, a little bit on my nose. Depending on what like look I'm trying to go for, I like to put some right there too. To blend, I get like a thick little like kind of kabuki brush like this. It's from Moda Beauty. I really love this. It gives me like full control of where it goes. Like, before it would look so patchy, and now I could like really, oh my gosh y'all, it's still a little wet. Okay, so we're just gonna use a different brush. I'm so sad because that brush is so good, but I'm gonna just use this little brush. And I know y'all see my little rolos. You already saw it at like the beginning of the video what the blowout came out like, but let me know if y'all want a video on it. Like, I feel like I finally perfected it. I finally know how to do it. So for me personally, I like putting my blush at like the outer part of my face, not really too much like right here, but more keep it like towards the side. I'm going in with the Glow Blush from Charlotte Tilbury in the color Peach. I was honestly so asleep. Like, it is the perfect color. I did not think I would get over my like neon ass pink blush face, but this is perfect. Now I'm gonna blend it out with this little blush brush I got from like Ipsy. Y'all, look at how clean my blushes are. This is your sign, because I just failed right now. I'm gonna conceal with my beloved Makeup by Mario concealer. I freaking love this stuff. I got the color 180. This color is just perfect, so I like bring it up just a little bit. not too much. So all of my under eye, and then I bring it up like a little bit. I feel like this snatches you up. I go on like the side of my nose like this. So and then I do some here, and then do a line on my nose, and just a little bit up here. So I'm being a little bit here and on the other side. And then depending on the look I'm trying to go for, I usually do put some on my eyes. So for today, the look I want to do, I want to conceal up here. Boom. Before blending so everything come out into place, I go in with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I love the white tea of Bali one. This one smells so good. Oh my gosh, I didn't even recognize my brush, my concealer brush, because of how clean it is. Like, it's literally white. But I got this brush. It just says Beauty for Real and concealer on the back. This is the most perfect concealer brush I've ever received. Like, the shape, it just is perfect. Really take your time with the blending. You want to make sure everything is looking really good. Now that everything is blended, I'm going to spray my face one more time. This just smells so good. Like, what? For my under eyes, I'm gonna do my fave combo. If you guys follow me on TikTok, y'all know. Make sure your under eye is blended. You're gonna grab some powder. Boom. Snatch it up. I'm gonna close my eyes and blend as well because it's always like super creasy. So this is the difference that powder makes to your makeup. You take it from wet and super glowy and like, which is cute. I like this look. And then this side is like super dry and matte. I'm gonna do a little bit of pressed powder to get like that color back. Okay, so for eyebrows, I literally have to get them laminated again. Like, I miss it, but I love the L'Oreal little like definer, as well as the NYX lip and snatch. I like the front to be very like natural and fluffy. I don't want it to be like too squarey. Honestly, with this lighting, I really can't see anything. When the light is too bright, I really can't see. I'm upset because my vanity mirror broke, but I just ordered a new one and I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Once I like the shape that I have, I go back in with the L'Oreal little concealer and I just clean them up real cute like that, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Then for bronzer, I like this Hoola Benefit one. It's a little bit too red for me, honestly. It's more of like a summer shade, but it's what I got. So you want the darkest part of your like contour and bronzer to be like right here by your ear and like blend it on my forehead and on my neck. Now I'm gonna do some brow gel with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. So whenever I don't know what to do with my eyes, I always go for like a brown subtle cut crease. Not the type of cut crease y'all are thinking of, more of like a eyeshadow base cut crease. I swear by this Maven Beauty little palette. It is so worn out that it doesn't even have the name anymore, but I love these colors. I go in with like these two colors. They're like not too dark, and I just blend at the crease. And I bring it out here like by the end of my eyebrow. So now I kind of want it a little darker. I have this little palette from this brand, and I just go in with the dark one very lightly and do that mainly towards the corner of my crease, so it's like more smoky looking. Oh shit, I did too much. It's okay because I actually like how that looks, so I'm gonna put a little more on the other side too. What's really gonna bring this cut crease moment together, I'm gonna go back in with this palette. I'm going with this really light color, and this is what like really makes a difference. Now that I have something like this, I kind of want more of like a smoky eye situation here. I'm gonna go back in with this color and we're just gonna do a little smoky eye. So I like to open my eye on this part. I can see like where everything is going. I love this eye look because it really just like snatches your face up and gives sexy like So now that that's like that, just being extra, I want to add some Space Cowboy Urban Decay. This makes your eyes look glossy, shimmery. Obsessed. Then I go in with a black liner and I just line like my actual eye, I don't do a liner just yet. I probably should have curled my eyelashes before, but it's okay. And I just stopped right at the end. Now I'm gonna go in with this other Maven palette. It has this like super dark brown, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeliner. Just like that. Just like that. How cute. Now I'm gonna just curl my lashes. So my lashes are super duper straight. The only way I could get them to like stay up all day is with the telescopic waterproof mascara. It is such a hassle to take off at night, but it's the only thing that keeps my lashes curled. Like, I've only been doing like half lashes too, so I need the front of my lashes to eat. I make sure I really shake it out, and like I'm coating every single hair before it dries out. I swear that little Amazon product has been growing my lashes like no other. This thing right here, she works. What has really changed the game for me to like achieve that cat eye look is getting half lashes. Lily Lashes has the best ones ever. So this one is Inciting. These are so freaking cute, but the one I'm gonna wear today is called Inviting. I'm gonna do Inviting. I'm gonna show you guys how good they look. Oh my gosh, y'all, my eyelashes have really been growing so much though. Like, this is insane. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna apply it on the corner. Do not scream when y'all see how good this lash looks. Girl, it just eats so bad. Let me do the other eye. It's so good. Yeah, so this clearly changed the game for me. This is so perfect. So I'm on the lookout for like a really good brown lip liner that's like cool toned, not warm toned. Comment some down below if you guys know, but for now my lip combo is NYX Nude Truffle. I don't know where this is from. I feel like I stole it from my friend or something, but it is the Ruby Kisses Butter Bomb Gloss, and it is so good. It's in the color nude. So I like to put this all over my lips, and I'm like running out. I need to buy more. This is seriously like the perfect nude. And then I top it off with NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. Only in the middle, just a little bit, because she is really light. So for setting spray at the end, honestly, I'm gonna do a mix of one size and this one. So I'm gonna do one size first. And to top it all off, we're gonna do some Charlotte Tilbury highlighter in the color Spotlight. This highlighter is so good. How good is this highlighter? A little bit on the nose. Remember to keep the highlighter like high. I accidentally just went really freaking low with this one, but remember to keep it high. A blow out is just gonna take everything from 0 to 1,000 every single time. I am obsessed with this like subtle, sexy makeup look. Like the face, the lips, and the eyeshadow gives very like, you know, very cute, casual. Face is glowy, and the eyeliner is just like, I'm that bitch. Don't fuck with me, because I will cut you. I am very much feeling myself, like very much so. I promise you, if you guys do this makeup look, you're gonna feel like the baddest bitch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I'm gonna have all the products linked down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. We're so close to 40k, y'all. When we hit 30k, I was just so shook. And then me reaching for the stars, I hit that in the beginning of February. It's about to be the end of February, and I was like, we're gonna hit 40k before the end of February. Like, me reaching for the stars. We're so close. Like, we're so close. Yeah, I was just so excited. So I brought this little video out for you guys because you guys highly requested it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful, blessed day. I love you guys so much. Continue to be you. Continue to be beautiful. Okay, love you. Bye.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is gone polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Alls ain't hope she said the right. I just wanna fit in a fantasy.